Our adventure starts with a simple question: what's waiting for us on Mars? This question has intrigued humanity for centuries, sparking our imagination and driving us to explore the unknown. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has always been a source of mystery and fascination. Its reddish appearance, caused by iron oxide on its surface, has earned it the nickname the Red Planet. But beyond its striking color, what secrets does Mars hold? What can it teach us about our own planet and the universe? For hundreds of years, people have looked up at the red star in the night sky and wondered about its secrets. Ancient civilizations named it after their gods of war, captivated by its blood-red hue. Early astronomers, with their rudimentary telescopes, sketched its surface, imagining canals and civilizations. These early observations laid the groundwork for modern astronomy and our quest to understand Mars. Now, we're about to find out. With the advent of space exploration, our dreams of reaching Mars have become a reality. The journey to Mars is a monumental challenge, requiring advanced technology, precise calculations, and unwavering determination. Each mission brings us closer to uncovering the mysteries of this distant world. Our robot helpers have already landed on Mars, sending back pictures of a world that's both familiar and strange. These rovers, equipped with cameras and scientific instruments, roam the Martian surface, analyzing rocks, soil, and the atmosphere. Their discoveries have revealed a planet with a complex history, shaped by volcanic activity, ancient rivers, and possibly even microbial life. This is the story of how we're exploring Mars. From the first flybys and orbiters to the sophisticated rovers and landers of today, each mission builds on the successes and lessons of the past. The timeline of Mars exploration is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a story of brave missions, amazing discoveries, and our never-ending search for knowledge. Scientists and engineers work tirelessly to design, build, and operate these missions, overcoming countless obstacles to send data back to Earth. Their efforts have expanded our understanding of Mars and its potential to support life. Come with us as we follow our rovers, traveling across huge plains, climbing tall mountains, and looking deep into old craters. Each journey provides new insights and raises new questions, driving us to explore further. The rover's tireless exploration helps us piece together the story of Mars, one discovery at a time. Mars is calling, and we're ready to answer. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we move closer to the day when humans will set foot on Mars. The red planet beckons, and our journey is just beginning. Join us as we embark on this incredible adventure, exploring a world that has captivated our imagination for generations. Mars is a beautiful and dramatic place. Its surface is a canvas painted with a palette of rusty reds, golden hues, and soft pinks. The Martian landscape is unlike anything we have on Earth, offering a glimpse into a world that is both alien and fascinating. Imagine a landscape of rusty reds and golds under a pale pink sky. The colors are so vivid and surreal, they almost seem to be from a dream. The sky, with its pale pink hue, adds a touch of softness to the otherwise harsh and rugged terrain. The air is thin and dry, with a soft wind blowing across the plains. This wind, though gentle, carries with it the whispers of a planet that has seen eons pass by. The barren terrain, shaped by these winds, tells a story of a world that has been both calm and tumultuous. It's very quiet there, except for the sound of rover wheels crunching on the Martian soil. This sound, though subtle, is a reminder of our presence on this distant world. The rovers, our mechanical explorers, traverse the rocky ground, uncovering secrets buried in the Martian dust. Our rovers have shown us a world of amazing variety. From towering mountains to deep canyons, the Martian landscape is diverse and full of surprises. Each new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of Mars's history and its potential for future exploration. We've explored Valles Marineris, a canyon much bigger than the Grand Canyon on Earth. This colossal canyon stretches for over 4,000 kilometers, revealing layers of rock that hold clues to Mars's geological past. It's a testament to the planet's dynamic and ever-changing nature. We've climbed Olympus Mons, a volcano 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Standing at 22 kilometers high, it is the tallest volcano in the solar system. Its sheer size and scale are a reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped Mars over billions of years. And we've seen the flat Elysium Planitia, a huge plain that suggests Mars once had lots of water. This vast expanse, with its smooth and level surface, hints at a time when water flowed freely across the Martian landscape, potentially supporting life. The mysteries of Mars continue to captivate and inspire us, driving our quest for knowledge and exploration. One of the first things you'd notice on Mars is that gravity is weaker. On Earth, you might jump a foot or two high, but on Mars, where gravity is only 38% as strong, you could jump 3 times higher. This is because Mars is smaller and lighter than Earth. Imagine what you could do. Astronauts could easily jump over rocks. They could carry heavy things without getting tired, and they would feel light and nimble, like never before. But weaker gravity also has some downsides, like weaker bones and muscles, which scientists are working hard to figure out how to prevent. Mars's lower gravity might sound fun, but there are hidden dangers. Unlike Earth, which has a magnetic field and a thick atmosphere to protect it, Mars doesn't have much protection from radiation from space. This radiation, from the sun and other stars, is dangerous for humans. Too much radiation can damage your cells, make you more likely to get sick, and cause other health problems. For future explorers, figuring out how to stay safe from radiation is really important. Some ideas include building shelters that block radiation, limiting time spent outside, and making better spacesuits with extra protection. Section 5. A thin veil of air. Breathing on Mars is impossible. The air is 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide, which is poisonous to humans. This means astronauts will have to wear special suits with air tanks whenever they go outside. The thin air also makes the temperature change a lot. Without a thick atmosphere to hold heat, Mars gets incredibly cold at night, down to minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit, that's minus 129 degrees Celsius. But during the day, it can get up to a pleasant 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 degrees Celsius. Section 6. Fires of a bygone age. Mars may seem cold and lifeless now, but it used to be a fiery place. Billions of years ago, volcanoes erupted all over Mars. Over a very long time, these eruptions created some of the biggest volcanoes in our solar system. Olympus Mons is a great example. This giant volcano is wider than all the Hawaiian Islands put together, and its top is 16 miles or 25 kilometers high. It's not active anymore, but it shows us that Mars was once a very hot and active planet. Section 7. Footprints on a distant world. Our journey to Mars started with robots. These mechanical pioneers paved the way for human exploration, acting as our eyes and hands on the Martian surface. They have been crucial in gathering data and performing tasks that would be too risky or impossible for humans at this stage. In 1971, a spacecraft from the Soviet Union called Mars 3 was the first to land safely on Mars, but it stopped working soon after. Despite its short mission, Mars 3 marked a significant milestone in space exploration, proving that landing on Mars was possible and setting the stage for future missions. Since then, lots of missions from NASA, the European Space Agency, and others have explored Mars. These missions have varied in scope and technology, each contributing unique insights into the Martian environment. From studying the planet's geology to searching for signs of water, each mission has brought us closer to understanding Mars. We've sent rovers to drive across plains and climb mountains. These rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, have been instrumental in exploring the Martian terrain, conducting experiments, and sending back invaluable data. Their journeys across the rugged landscape have revealed the planet's complex history and potential for past life. We've sent landers to study what's inside Mars and look for signs of life. These landers have drilled into the Martian soil, analyzed samples, and deployed instruments to measure seismic activity. Their findings have provided clues about the planet's interior and its potential to support life. And we've sent orbiters to take pictures of the surface and study the atmosphere. Orbiters like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter have mapped the planet in high detail, revealing features like ancient riverbeds and ice deposits. They have also monitored the weather and climate, helping us understand the planet's current conditions. Each mission teaches us more about Mars, getting us ready to send people there. As we gather more data and refine our technology, the dream of human footprints on the Martian surface becomes more achievable. These missions are not just about exploration. They're about preparing for the next giant leap in human history. Section 8. A Martian Tomorrow. Sending people to Mars isn't just a dream anymore. Space agencies and companies are building the things we need to make it happen. They're building powerful rockets to take astronauts to Mars and back, and special inflatable homes for them to live in. Imagine a future where people live and work on Mars, doing science, exploring, and maybe even building towns. This might sound crazy, but it's possible. It will be difficult, but the rewards will be amazing. Going to Mars is like exploring the unknown. It shows how much humans love to explore and learn. Section 9. The Red Planet awaits. We're about to start a new era of space exploration, and Mars is waiting for us. Mars, once a mysterious and faraway planet, is now almost within our reach. The journey will be hard, but it will also be one of the most exciting and important times in human history. So let's imagine a future where people walk on Mars, where we discover its secrets, and where we explore beyond Earth. Mars is waiting, and we get to decide what happens next.